Before you begin pumping, preparation is extremely important for both comfort and milk flow. Start by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and clean water. This step protects your baby from bacteria and ensures safe milk collection. Next, make sure all pump parts are completely clean and dry. Lay them out on a clean surface so you can easily see each component. Identify the main parts: the flange, connector, valve, membrane, collection bottle, tubing, and motor unit if you are using an electric pump. Begin by attaching the valve securely to the connector. This small piece plays a very important role in creating proper suction. Even a tiny gap or tear can reduce pumping efficiency. After securing the valve and membrane, connect the flange to the main body of the pump. Screw the collection bottle tightly onto the bottom. If using an electric pump, attach the tubing firmly to the backflow protector and motor unit. Make sure tubing is not twisted or loose. Before turning on the pump, position the flange over your breast and center your nipple carefully inside the tunnel. Your nipple should move freely without rubbing against the sides. Start with a low suction level to stimulate letdown. After milk begins to flow, gradually increase suction to a comfortable level. Proper setup improves milk output, prevents nipple pain, and makes each pumping session more effective and comfortable.